everyone. We're going live again. It's a special day today because it's Independence Day. I have flags outside my house without asking Hayden's permission. And he was so happy to see it. He said, I love it. We're so nationalistic. But I really, really feel this is a special day. And it's a special day because it's the Mega Ball Day. And we're going live again because I don't want to be so early. Anyway, yes. So now, a lot of people said they enjoyed the last live. So they want to ask more questions now. So guys, please feel free for a free consult with me.
Shout out Sammy.
Hi Sam! Thanks for being there and listening to this live. Ano to, podcast?
Live.
Ay, hindi siya podcast. Ano ba yan?
Hi, Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca! Thank you for listening also. Happy Independence Day.
Doc, ano pong nakakawala ng dark spots?
Saan? Depende. Dark spots sa mukha, dark spots sa legs. Kung dark spots sa legs, mas maganda we have this product, name niya is BioRepeal. It's a wonderful product from, I think, Italy. And it peels off the dark spots on your legs, but it doesn't peel like a regular peel. So, it just brightens and lightens without having those things na parang dead skin na natatanggal. For the face, there's so many things. It depends. Everybody's different. But some people respond better to lasers. Other people respond better to tranexamic acid. Other people respond better to hydroquinone. So, kailangan talaga, I think, better if it's on the face and it's bad, you better go to your dermatologist. Oh, am I raping? Oh, baka mas maraming viewers. Yung aking social media, ito, come here. This is her idea to do these things, and then she doesn't know what I'm gonna do. She really thinks I'm going to take off my clothes. Oh.
No.
What?
We have viewers from all over the world.
All over the world, thanks. Wow, we have viewers in Vietnam. I love Vietnam.
Viewers from Dubai.
Danang, I went. Dubai.
UK.
Please send me fixed chocolate. UK. Ayan, what do we do in UK? I love UK also, but very mahal. I think that's the most expensive country for me in terms of hotels and food. So I haven't been to London in a long time. Pero kung what's the place that I go to? Well, anyway, Edinburgh. Where's that? Scotland. That's not so bad. That's really nice.
Okay, and dami questions.
Wow. Anong question? Sige. I want to show you people that I know the answer. Pag hindi ko alam. Buti na wala ng test. Wala na mag-grade sa akin. Oh.
Nandito si Doc Rodney, though.
Hi, Rodney! Why are you listening? That means wala kang pasyente. Hala. Hindi, naghihintay lang yan kasi may... Oo nga, sige. Kasi he told me to go live in my robe. So, the question, is there anything under my robe? No.
Okay, Doc, what's better, Jotox or Ulthera?
Ano ba yan? Jotox or Ulthera? It depends. What are you doing it for, diba? For sure, for me, if it's really your masseter muscle, it's really Jotox. Ulthera is good, but actually, for me, pag wala, Ulthera tightens the jawline this way. Pero if you have a buccal here, and when you bite, and it's like you can tell, like everybody do this now with me. Put your two fingers here in the corner like that, and then bite. Then do you feel a bola like Jackstone? That's a masseter muscle. We need to Botox that. If you bite and there's no bola, then Ulthera is better. Ulthera Prime. Wag yung luma ha. Wag kayong ganon. Ulthera Prime. Only 95,000 in Belware, the lowest priced Ulthera Prime daw in the Philippines. Oh, next.
It's Jom's birthday tomorrow.
Hi, Jom. Advanced happy birthday. How young are you going to be?
Hi from Cebu.
Hi, Cebu. So I was born in Cebu. I understand Cebuano, but I cannot say hi to you in Cebuano. I can just understand. But I will visit Cebu soon because I miss my clinic there. That's one of our prettiest clinics. Oh.
Doctor, gumagamit ako ng Niacinamide and retinol.
Wow,
Ganda
good
ng effect.
Thank you so much. We formulated that just for you. Kasi the four na pinaka-importante dapat gamitin, di ba? Retinol, vitamin C, and what you're using, niacinamide. Instead of moisturizers, people, please use a niacinamide. It's hydrating without blocking your pores. And what was the other thing she was using? And retinol.
Retinol, yeah.
People always ask me, what's your best cream? If you could tell people, use only one cream, ano yun? And I always say, well, of course, sunscreen to protect you from the pollution. But to improve your skin, retinol, because when I was mga 11 or 12, my teens, I used retinol kasi ang dami kong tigyawat. And then when I was 30 na, retinol pa rin because meron ako mga melasma, mga itim-itim dito. Eh ngayon na nasa matanda na ako, na hindi ko na sasabihin how tanda, I did it for all my wrinkles. So it's one thing that will stay with you throughout your life, retinol. And ours is a serum and it absorbs very well. Oh, wala nang question? Ano pa? Hinihintay ko kasi si Hayden matapos. Pero 2 oras na ako nagpapaganda. Tapos pupunta ka sa party, 1 oras, uwi na ako. So sayang lang. Oh.
Okay. Grabe no, Doc, sa mga boys. They can just get ready.
Yeah, guys, get ready in so short a time. Especially when you're already guwapo like Hayden, wala na siyang ginagawa. Ako, maraming kailangan gawin. Kasi, hindi. Pero, I love the getting ready part. The part I hate is, do you know what I just did? I put Emla. Alam niyo yung Emla, yung cream anesthesia. I put it in my feet. Because I'm wearing these pointy shoes nasaan ba yung shoes?
Which one
You
is
see where it is? I'll show you later. I'll show you, you can choose my outfit also. And then, yan, so my toes will be numb. So when it's painful, mamaya, hindi ko ma-feel.
Ooh.
No, smart, di ba? Smart. Oh.
What's the best product and treatment for back knee?
For back knee, again, I would say BioRepeal. Because that would really dry it up. Also, a back shelf first. Kailangan may back shelf po. Linisin natin lahat ng pimples, whiteheads, blackheads, and then maglagay tayo ng BioRepeal to dry it all up. And you do that maybe, I would say, once every 10 days for 3 times, and it will be much better. And then you maintain. So yung mga may acne na maintenance na lang, you know what's a really good medicine na you can, I'm sure, afford? Yung Nizoral shampoo. Yeah, because sometimes it's fungal. A lot of times it's fungal kasi yung mga natutuyuan ng pawis, right? Kasi di ba ngayon, uso-uso running club, ano pa, pickleball, yan. So, basta, tapos nagchichismis ka, tagal-tagal niyo sa friends niyo, nag-dry up na yan, tapos nagkakaroon ng pimples. Sometimes it's also caused by fungus and bacteria at the same time. So, you can put Nizoral shampoo, leave it on for like overnight, and it will dry up your acne.
Okay. How do I know he loves me? Does he love me? Does he love me not?
Ay, yun, yung flowers, diba? He loves me. Ginagawa niya ba yun? Kala ko panahon ko lang yun. Alam mo, I'm very bobo in love, I think. So, I cannot teach you that. Ay, ayan, bumukas ulit. Hi! So, no, how do you know? You know, love is when they sacrifice for you, when they go out of their way to make you happy. Parang your happiness is more important than theirs. I think that's when you know somebody, or they sacrifice stuff. That's how I know Hayden loves me. Kasi kung minsan parang feel ko, hindi naman niya ako mahal. Masyadong busy. Pero, trabaho ng trabaho. Pero, then I see him sacrifice things that, you know, without making a big deal out of it. Then I feel so loved.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ooh.
I love you, Hides.
Is there treatment for dark inner thighs?
Number 1, dark inner thighs are usually caused because you are overweight. And so, when you walk, nagkikiskisan yung thighs mo. And any trauma, especially in Asian skin or skin na may kulay, umiitim yung gitna. So, number 1, try to lose weight, right? So you can go to our Bell Reset program. Galing ko mag-add, no? But it really, really works. Number 2, so is it better to wear pants? I think it might be better than skin-to-skin contact or sweaty and stuff like that. And then once you already have lost the weight and hindi na nagkikiskisan, then you have to lighten it. And again, my star product is BioRepeal. Okay. Wait, okay, so I'll put more Emla again. Kasi tinanggal ko, akala ko I'm getting ready na. But, you know, the anesthesia goes away in 2 hours. Tapos ka pa.
This is how we do it.
So, wag! Ang pangit ko ako! Teka muna. Pag may plastic na. Pero, good tip to, good tip. So, pakita ko muna. So, this is Mesonum. So, this is a anesthetic cream. And then, ayan, then you massage it into your feet. And then you put plastic wrap around it so that it really absorbs well. Kasi sa feet ko minsan it gets pahid out or medyo kung minsan masyadong thick yung skin sa paa. So it's better to occlude it. And you occlude it by using cling wrap or plastic wrap or something. Yes, ma'am. Wala na. Wala na shout out.
Let's shout out. Say hi to Jewel.
Hi, Jewel. I wish I had a lot of jewels. Will give me kaya? Parang walang nagbibigay sa akin ng jewels, pero Jewel, I really like colored stones. So for me, I think when it's jewels, you mean colored stone. I'm not sure if it's diamonds. What do you think? Diamonds ba kasama ba sa jewelry? Jewels. Jewelry is diamonds, but jewel, parang colored stones. Yes, ma'am.
Doc, okay po ba yung Rejuve peel sa mga insect bite marks sa paa?
Hindi ko alam po kung ano yung Rejuve peel. I'm sorry. Pero, yeah, we use the BioRepeal, which is the non-peel peel. Ayan, you can take a picture now because it's already covered. And then, you can see, so look, that's the way. And then, did you see, tingnan mo ako, nadapa ako, I was biking. So, di ba magandang legs ko ngayon? Hello, ang daming
Bakit siya nagdapa?
chismis.
Kasi pumasok siya
Pumasok ako. So, ang galing-galing ko, nagbabike ako, tapos hindi ko nakita. No, do not enter. Nag-enter ako doon sa Balisin, tapos hindi ko na makontrol yung bike ko, hindi ko maintindihan. Bakit? I was just, so nahulog ako pala, naka-flat tire because it was really a do not enter zone and there were so many I don't know what things, and so nag-burst yung tire, but I don't know what a tire in a flat tire in a bike feels like. I just knew that the thing I couldn't control, so yun, that's my favorite exercise, biking outdoors with fresh air.
Ooh, is CO2 laser good for acne scars?
CO2 laser is good for acne scars, but there are other lasers that are better. Because CO2 laser is very, very magaling. It's really good. Pero ang tagal ng downtime. The downtime is like 10 days and you're red for a long time. So at Bello, we use an Erbium YAG laser. Usually, the Photona, what do you call it? NX or it's an ultra clear. Yan. And it's an neodymium YAG laser. Nax. Neodymium YAG. Anong YAG? Yttrium. And then, nakalimutan ko na yun. Rodney! Call a friend!
Sabi ni Grant, ang tigas na ulo mo daw.
Hindi ko nakita, Grant. Alam mo naman, kung minsan malabong mata ko. Ay, nako. Nasira yung legs. Ang tagal. So now, I have to peel. I have to go through all these things. Like, yeah, BioRepeal it. And then, it'll be a month siguro before I can lighten it.
Oh, Coach Hazel is here. Hello,
Hi,
Fairy
Coach Hazel,
Godmother.
I need you. Naku, pag nakita niyo si Coach Hazel, so she's one of our most wonderful examples of how a life is changed because of liposuction. So what happened is Coach Hazel is a coach of Scarlett for swimming. If you need a good coach, Coach Hazel, yan, ang galing. Tapos habang nagsiswimming sila one day when Scarlett was younger, siguro mga 6 ba 7, sabi niya kay Coach Hazel, and what's that? Kasi may pakpak si Coach Hazel. Kahit Coach Hazel was such an athlete, runner, marathoner, swimmer. So she went to me, she goes, you know what Scarlett told me? What's that pakpak there making like that there? So she decided to have a liposuction and you should see her before and afters. Ang ganda.
It's actually out na.
It's out na?
It's on the Bella Beauty site.
Oh, it's in the Bella Beauty site if you want to see it. But we're supposed to have a nicer reel on my IG one day. We will interview her. Oh.
Okay.
Ano?
Dami.
Madami wala. Pagod na kayo? Wait, what?
Ano ang mga ginawa kay Kris Jenner and safe po ba sa mga 40 years old pa lang?
Alam mo, pag 40 ka, parang feeling ko naman, hindi mo pa kailangan. Better to do the non-surgical things. Even, okay, so Kris Jenner admitted to having a deep plane facelift, right? What's the difference between a facelift, regular facelift, and a deep plane facelift? A deep plane facelift makes banat from here below. Kaya ang ganda ng jawline niya, umakyat, ganun. Is it safe? Of course, it's safe if done by a good doctor. Not so safe if you just go you do your research, right? The other kind of facelift is yung hinahatak from here, nakita medyo the scar at saka nawawala yung patilla, yung ganon. So, she needed to do it because she's already 70. But I think Lindsay Lohan also at 40 did it. I can see because it's really nice, her jawline, and it's a vertical vertical lift. So in Bello, we created a vertical axis lift, which mimics deep plane facelift or vertical facelift, but using lang many things, many of the machines in Bello. But the results are similar, especially if you're in your 40s or 50s. I think once you get to your 65, 70, maybe it won't be as snatched. But yes, it's very safe if done by a good doctor.
Okay. We have to get dressed. Do you want to
Okay,
choose?
do you want to help me choose my outfit? So, ganito yon. Meron akong dalawang outfit. One is a Schiaparelli and the other one is a Chanel. The Chanel doesn't fit me well talaga. I don't know. But it looks pretty in the hanger. And kung minsan hindi ako masyadong I don't like to try on and it looks like it's gonna be nice. And then when I bought it, it really doesn't look good on me. But I felt like I should use it. But Bang Pineda said I should use the Schiaparelli. But it has arte, my gulay. I have to hold my arm like this the whole night. So, you come with me so you understand what we're talking about. Okay, so, ayan, nakapapwes ko dito.
This is Dr. Bella's closet.
Alright, itong pwede ko nag-workout ako kanina. Grabe ang aking squat. So, ouch. So, here. This is a Chanel. Okay, where are you? So it's very bling-blingy and it's stretched. So I thought I would look nice, but somehow I don't look so good in it. I don't think I'll let you choose. I'll be the one na lang to choose. Because you don't know what it looks like on me. And this one is the Schiaparelli. So it's very pretty. Kaya lang, what is this? What do you think this is? I have to make like this the buong gabi. O, diba? Bagay ba sa akin? Parang hindi ko carry. Buong gabi, I have to walk like this. Because it's such a long, Anyway, I'll show you how I look. If I can carry it or not. Be honest with me if you think I cannot. Okay. Okay, wait. So, you want to wait there? Where's my shoes? Na pointy na I have to put nga M lang on my feet.
This is the truth of getting ready, guys.
This is how I get ready.
This is the pointy.
Pointy shoe. So this shoe is okay. So this is one of my favorite brands.
Wait lang.
Yeah. Okay, Hayden, come here.
We're on live,
I'll give you a note. Come here.
We're live, though. Gusto ko kinover ko.
Diba? 2, 4, 6. Oh, yeah. This is my shoe. Do I look like Cinderella? Oh, sige na nga. We'll get ready and then we'll show you later what I look like. Do you want me to answer any more questions or will I get ready?
Yeah, get ready na.
Okay, so I'm getting an award, guys. Say congratulations to me. I'm getting a
Congratulations.
Mover and Shaker Award from Mega. Thank you so much, Mega Magazine and Mega Group. Bye.